Hindi lang ito bagong taon, kundi to be more consistent, to keep moving forward. Have your way, Lord. Sa taon na lumipas, hindi lahat madali. May pagod, maraming pagod. May takot, may moments na gusto ko na talagang mag-give up. Pero pinili ko magpatuloy, pinili kong matuto, pinili kong mag-grow kahit tahimik. Alam mo yun, bilang isang working mom at dental assistant, maghapon ako nagtatrabaho syempre. Natutunan ko na hindi ko naman kailangang maging handa para magsimula. Kailangan mo lang maging committed. This year taught me discipline over motivation. Faith over fear at consistency over excuses. Alam mo yun, sa bagong taon na darating, hindi lang ako umaasa. Kumilos na ako. Mas malinaw ang purpose. Mas buo yung loob ko na magpatuloy. Mas matibay ang paniniwala na may mas magandang darating. Kung ready ka ring mag-level up this year, comment ready or direct message me. Sabay tayong mag-grow. Ako po si Rosalie. Ako po ay taga Padova, Italy, and doing digital business on my other side. I'm doing lives every day, not to brag, but to tell you na hindi naman reason yung wala kang kaalaman sa computer or any technology. Everything ay pwedeng matutunan. And that's me. I keep showing up and do what I can do. I know this coming year I can do more. But syempre, have your way, Lord. Laging ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. Bye for now and see you tomorrow. Eba, blessed New Year coming to you and to your family.